how to edit and change your password with your email on HubSpot. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change your password with your email on HubSpot. Easy and quick. First, open your browser, and now once you are here, click settings and then click security, and after that just click reset password, and now click forgot my password and then click reset password, and that's it. Now just go to your email and then you can reset your password. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.